we went back to Sons of the Forest. Recently, the 1.0 update dropped, so we thought it would be the perfect time to get back into it. If you enjoy the video and you want to see more, just make sure to like and subscribe.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, we're landing in the
Slap
snow.
my mama in the vat. Oh,
Why is he
snowing?
holding my inner thigh like that? Okay! Oh, he's kind of dead. Okay.
Oh wait, Kevin!
No, it's not
Kevin.
Kevin, it's Kelvin. Don't forget the
You're
L.
right, it's Kelvin.
Ew, why does my handle look funky? I guess it's not that way.
Or might. Oh,
Damn. Oh,
My
I
laptop
fell
is,
out
like,
of the
really
helicopter.
bad.
Oh my gosh. I got squished by
my
the
computer's been
helicopter.
singing, and
The cutscene to
You
start is
dead?
new. It's different.
is it?
A little bit.
Well,
Oh, there's a
to be fair, the whole game's new.
press.
The whole game's pretty new, so.
Oh, he's putting his big black Glock in my face. Oh, he hit me. Okay.
What? Everything likes to fall.
Kelvin! Hi, buddy. Stop making snow angels and get up.
Is he making snow? Is he still retarded?
I mean, I don't want to make assumptions by looking at him right now, but this is not looking good.
Yeah, living, buddy, you're not holding up so well.
Hey, Kelvin.
Okay.
Can you
I'll plug my mouse here. 'cause I
maintain?
need
Oh,
it
there's
for
a
my
new
other
option.
computer.
Maintain base. Huh. You can take a break, Kelvin. I don't need you for anything right now.
Oh, I'm gonna need Kelvin on arms the entire time.
Just smacked him with the piece of paper. That was so. I could have just showed him. I did not need to smack it onto his chest like that. Just uncalled for.
Yo, my laptop. Bugging for real.
Can I
forgot
throw
my
this rocket,
password.
Kelvin? No, I I missed. Hold up, Kelvin. Let's play catch. Dude, I have like terrible aim. Oh. It's gonna be. Oh my god! I think I'm seeing God. I looked up and the sun is so bright. Keep on cocking on. Are these dead people? Yeah, yeah, they don't. Oh, fucking bats! Goddamn. Ooh, slingshot. There's one little four-legged fiend. It's a woman. She
It's a
dead.
woman, he says. Shake on.
I'm taking her head for later.
What the heck? You good?
There was another one in the bushes. Let me on the raft.
Doesn't the raft have a pistol?
Yep. Yes, sir. There's a toothbrush. Find. Oh. You know how you said you don't think Team B is gonna be doing so good? I found one of them. He ain't doing so good.
Oh.
Where's this smoke coming from? I think I'm about to pull up on a encampment. Oh, locals.
Kitty, can has cheeseburger.
It's got like a side. Ew! Why does he look like that? Ooh, he's got something on his face. It's creepy. And he's a fucking tank. Ooh. Ooh! Oh, I messed up by jumping these people. Back! Oh, this this guy had like a skinned face on his head, and it looked so weird. Ooh, a skin pouch. Oh, he's throwing his crotch at me.
I'm American.
You always get a light bulb. I just got a light bulb. That's new.
A bid stick.
Is that a vape? Is this a vape?
Sure.
Oh no, I think it's soap. Oh, it's the flashlight, dude. I remember this. Look out below.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, alcohol.
Hot sir.
I don't want
That's
to
snake.
kill myself on fall damage right here. Ugh. Damn! Hold up! Bro's arch game is actually insane. Yeah, let me get a flashlight on that. Aw.
Yo.
Oh, damn! My god.
Yo.
Got the BBL, you seeing that?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Meat barrel.
Wyatt.
Oh, no way you found it. Hold up, I'm gonna loot the rest of this place really quick.
Whoa, that's trippy.
You look so goofy!
This-
Hold up, where'd it go? Watch, look at this. Look at how goofy this looks.
Dude, this is weird.
Bobbing and we. Oh!
You said I would have died.
I'm
Yeah.
sick apparently because I drank too much bad water. Yeah, hit a tree going full speed.
Meow. Oh god,
my
I hit you.
You did a tactical barrel roll.
These are strong.
Dude, that is all
Let's
wheel. That's all wheel drive right there. All one of them.
Oh, one of them. God damn it.
Yeah! Oh!
Wait, where'd mine go? I disappeared. Oh, it's right here.
Dude, I directly hit you in the head right there.
Oh, it's, wait,
Oh,
it's
there's
flares.
There's a chopper.
Helicopter.
Hello?
Jabba.
What's going on here? What
Watch
is
this.
this?
Watch, this is like the game exit.
There's a chopper? There's a whole ass dude here? Hey man, can we like hire this guy like Kelvin? What's his name?
Die?
Oh, he's
I think
oh
he
he's
just died.
oh he's dead.
Oh, the
Who's
helicopter's
the
sleeping.
chopper?
Imagine this is like the end of the game. We just beat it.
Maybe. Dude, there's so much stuff. More solar panels?
I got a GoPro.
What? What?
Wyatt, look!
Why are you holding it like that?
I got an achievement called Blockbuster.
Wait, get in my vlog. Come back, come black. Let me vlog. Oh wait, there's a video on it.
Wait, I'm playing the video.
He's
that was on
making
it.
some scrambled eggs. He's got a rifle?
Oh my god, I see it.
Is that the guy that pistol
Oh, he
whipped
shot
us?
something.
That's the guy that pistol whipped us.
I see it. His buddies are like killing things.
Oh my god. He's executing that. Are those people? What am I looking? Are those clan
Oh, you're able to
members?
zoom in. Oh, we just executed them. Damn.
Yeah, I think I was a
Anyway,
little
back
further.
to vlogging. Oh, hey guys. Welcome back.
In this... Can you pick up this radio? I already have a radio. You want to pick up that radio?
Where's it at?
Next to me. I also have max solar panels. This dude's just holding a head. Dude, he was definitely doing something with that. With that, I don't want to touch that head. Ooh, paper. FYI, something email Janayu. Keep an eye out. One of the Puffins' old researchers contacted Timmy LeBlanc. I think that's us, the kid with the mutant arm. He's also looking for the cube. Okay, that's us. I don't know what the cube is. I think that's the thing from Fortnite. There's a pistol
Before
rail. Are you giving
time,
me a head
there
right now?
was The cube.
Can get out of the. You're so fat. Sorry. I just saw arrows and I kind of like one of them.
Yo, I put a rail on my pistol. That was bad.
I saw that. I'm gonna put one on too.
There's a pistol rail over in the corner. It
Oops. I saw
allows
that.
you to put attachment.
Combine.
You don't have any attachment.
Combine. I
Oh,
wanna
I
get,
got
like,
wrapped way around
I'm pretty sure there was like a flashlight attachment and like some other
laser and stuff.
Yeah.
There's also like special arrows.
Ooh, dead body camp. Oh, this paper says, let me, hold up. Let me... Okay, their evil masterman is not very secretive. You want to come to this tent real quick? I wonder what their plan is. Or is that our plan? Are these our people? I don't really know what's going on.
Quiet, you need to be quiet. You know too much.
Oh, wait. Hold up. Oh. You need to be quiet. You know too much. What are you What
I hit
are you
him. He
doing
won't
over
die.
there? What are you
I
doing?
hit him. He won't die. Oh, I killed him.
I just looked over and you're like running or driving at him like a maniac. Where they at? Don't hit me.
I just had a head-on collision.
Ooh, stop running in me. I see it. It's right here.
I'd never hit you, right? Rock.
Yee! Uh-oh. I think I'm stuck. Nope, we're good. Yeah, that's what I thought. W! Hey, he's not dying. Why he not dying? Can I get my gun out on this? I cannot. Oh, he just like... He lost a leg! Oh, I did a Timber!
What?
Did you see me just do like a triple backflip? That was sick!
Uh-uh.
Dude, I just did like a triple backflip. That was awesome. I feel like you almost hit. Ooh! Dude, that was sick. It's mine now.
Why I need a ride? The other one's gone, Wyatt.
I'm gonna run into the cannibal. Oh my god! They just got like dismantled like a Lego minifigure. Let me hit that again. Are they eating them? Oh my! I just got a quad feed. Timber?
What? I'm working on it.
Come
That's
park,
good to go for it.
and just look at what's right. Just look here and just tell me. Do you see all the arms and legs? Oh my god. Do you see the just pile of limbs?
Yeah, I see him. I see a lot of them.
Yeah. So going full speed is very effective. Instantly.
Ow!
Is
We
there a
can
honk
hit
on
you
this
in the
thing?
golf cart.
I ran one over. I just backed up over him.
Yeah.
Is this one dancing?
We're in a bunch.
This one's dancing! It's a child!
In
Is
a
that a
bunch.
child? Why is it so small? Oh, well, dead now. Hey, there's one alive still.
Where?
Oh, there's a ramp! Hey, Timber. We got a problem.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, I'm gonna loot real quick.